What up, guys? Texit Coin has officially made it to Mr. Five's theme song list, and you know you got to have a crappy project in order to make it this far. But this track is dedicated to you guys that are about to invest in this protocol. I know these influencers are hyping you up. You watching all these Zoom meetings, think you're gonna be rich, and your mind is going a little something like this. Tell me it's real. This feeling that I feel, tell me that it's real. I can buy a Texit coin and reach the sky. Try 1,000 I can do, and millions will come through to make a lifetime of cash forevermore. Bobby, you told me that your token was an asset I should buy. And then I flipped the dice, went and paid the price. You promised me, Bobby, that I would be a millionaire. Yes, you did. Bobby, keep it real, now I know the deal. This is what's real. This Bobby Gray will steal. His pockets he will fill, buying up miners while we put the bill. Try to invest in this dude, you'll end up getting screwed with a few Texit coins and a life of great remorse. Woo! How about that, guys? On the real deal, better watch out for this player, because he on a mission. These influencers, them Zoom calls, they doing a sales pitch. They selling you a pipe dream, a crack dream, a pyramid scheme. And you know how all those things work out, guys. So y'all be careful with your money. All right, that's all I got for you in this one. We'll holler on the next one. Peace out.